Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Quick Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today Billy the Bumblebee is going to help us look at this one. Look, issue number 46 of the ImagineFX magazine for August 2009. So I'm loving the back cover, but is the front cover going to be the best one of the year so far, do you think? Let's go and have a look. You can never pick the pages up. Look at that, look. Ooh, manga. Look at this one as well, look. This is going to be next week's cover. How cool is that? That's the back cover, that is. But last week we looked at this one, which was, I loved the front cover of that, and the highlight for me from that one was Marshall Vandruff's Animal Anatomy. But my favourite cover is still this one, from issue number 40. So let's see if this one here, issue number 46, is going to have a cover to beat that one. No, I like that one, but this is still perfection for me. This is like, for me that's like a sort of 9 out of 10. This is 7 or 8. Very cool character though, look. I like the outfit as well. Gothic Art, I love the Gothics. So that's still my favourite though. But I hope this is full of Gothic artwork, because I do like me Gothic art. There's something quite, they've nailed the expression on that one, haven't they? Billy's going to get us in. That's a nice one as well. I'm sure I've seen that cover. I think I've got this cover somewhere else, you know. Hey, that's Loïc Zimmermann, that one. Who did this cover, I wonder? They haven't got a name on it. I like Loïc Zimmermann. That was the regular cover. This is the subscriber cover. I feel like the regular cover was actually sexier. So I think kitty kisses for Claire. Hey, Loïc Zimmermann did that one. I like this one better. I think I prefer that one there. Not sure. So what I do on these is I just go through the magazine for the first time and see what we think, and hopefully my camcorder doesn't get corrupted again like the last. There's nothing worse than recording a video and then realising it wasn't recorded and you've got to redo it. Venom. Oh yeah, Charlie Bowater. I've heard of Charlie Bowater before. How beautiful, look at that. There's little Charlie, look. That is lovely, that. Hey, that's from the back cover. Robots. All dark and dingy today, aren't they? Women of the world take over. I like the lace on her gloves. Trans-Orient Express. Friend, look. Gothic Times. I've seen those before. Somewhere. Artist in residence, look. Brom's little art studio. I like that art studio. Quite sort of cosy. Final Fantasy, look. These are the forum winners. Letters! I'll read a letter on the next week. I'll read one of the letters. I ain't done that for a while. Artist Q&A. I like this one. Oh, look at that little dress. Look, getting blown up in the wind. Dragons. He likes our dragons. Dragon's Lair. Is it? Does that say? No, I don't know. Can't read the writing properly. I like this. Art class. This was never one of my favourite art. Here look, the art of Yap Ken Hwang. Look at that. Look at that, look. Little man. Big monster. These are nice. This art style is actually quite like Loïc Zimmermann. With like the edginess to it. Oh, cool. Yay! Ben Templesmith's sketchbook. Look at his head, look. I feel like he should be wearing a helmet or something. Anne Stokes. Yeah, who's better to do Gothic art than Anne Stokes? Probably the queen of Gothic. I did one of her art books. I did a clip look of one of her art books. The only thing with Anne Stokes is her art seems to get everywhere. Like almost like you go into say Wilkinson's or something, and you might see an art print of Anne Stokes. So in a weird way, that's almost, in a strange way, it's taken away the specialness of it somehow. Don't know how to explain. Hey, look at that little. That's weird, isn't it? The legs have been chopped off. Traditional FX pose. This is. There's the workshop. Look at that. Marta's Guide to Gothic Art. That's cool, because Marta's been doing guides in all the previous issues. So now she's doing Gothic. Oh, I love this. Escapism. That's weird, isn't it? Creepy. Sexy, creepy. I like that. Hey, Marshall's Animal Anatomy Masterclass Torso. He is the best art teacher. That's what I think. Next week we're doing the hind legs. I like this one. Loïc Zimmermann, The Chaos Theory. Yeah, that expression is perfection. Oh, it looks nice like that. Getting things into perspective. Look how cool this character is. Look. Oh yeah. She's riding a monster thing as well. Love that. Paintings that pop. Next week, I thought I said Johnny Depp. Journey deep into the woods. Fantasy artists. I hope it is all. These are nice. Aliens, look. Cool. I like that we've got sketches and finished. Into the reviews now, look. The old reviews from 2009. Comic book design, look. Panda Go Panda. I've watched one of those on, I think, was it Crunchyroll or something? Funniness. And that's it. Another one bites the dust. I enjoyed that one as well. There's been very nice issues this year. 2009. What was my highlight there? I think my highlight was actually, where is it? My highlight in a strange way was this. Charlie Bowaters. That's what I mean. You only need one image sometimes to, one beautiful image like that. Amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was issue number 46 of the ImagineFX magazine for August 2009. And now we're doing this one. I can't wait for this. Issue 47. I want to see what this is all about. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.